Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Surprising ways to use Vaseline. Since 1859, Vaseline has been used for everything from soothing dry and cracked skin to healing scrapes and burns. According to the Vaseline website, it is made from petroleum that is purified 3 times in processes that include distillation, deaeration, and filtration. The resulting jelly is a non-irritating and hypoallergenic solution. It works because it creates a sealing barrier between cells in dry or damaged skin, thus locking in moisture and speeding up recovery. While you're likely to have used Vaseline as a moisturizer, did you know that it can also be used to remove makeup stains from clothing and unstick a zipper? The following 12 hacks are ingenious ways to use petroleum jelly around the home. After reading this article, you'll want to run out and stock up on Vaseline. 1. DIY Body Scrub. Mix kosher salt and Vaseline to make an inexpensive moisturizing body scrub for the shower. You can also mix a small amount of Vaseline with sugar for a quick lip scrub for smooth moist lips before applying your lipstick, recommends Allure. 2. Unstick a zipper. There is nothing more annoying than rushing out of the house only to find the zipper on your coat, or worse, your pants is stuck. Mindly demonstrates that by putting Vaseline on the zipper and tugging hard, it will again run smoothly. 3. Fix a scratched phone screen. Really? Yes, really. No need to spend lots of money repairing your scratched phone screen. Simply fill the scratch with Vaseline and then wipe off the excess, careful not to press the Vaseline into the phone itself. An article on WikiHow explains this works because Vaseline has the same density as the LCD face of your phone. 4. Make scuffed up leather shoes look like new. Fashion and lifestyle magazine Harper's Bazaar shares a brilliant hack for fixing a scuff on a patent leather shoe. Simply dip a cotton swab in Vaseline and rub the scuff. They will look good as new. 5. Get a cleaner paint job. Are you working on some DIY projects around the house? Afraid to stain your beautiful hinges with paint? Follow the advice of Alison Griffith of Refunk My Junk, and simply cover them in Vaseline. This hack also works for keyholes and hardware. 6. Get a cleaner paint job on your nails. Love manicured nails? You don't have to shell out for a professional job every time you want to change up the color. Birdie recommends applying a little Vaseline to the cuticles with a cotton swab. It'll keep the nail polish from sticking to your skin for an easy cleanup job with a perfect finish. 7. Remove makeup stains from clothing. Have a stubborn makeup stain on the color of your favorite white shirt? Dab a bit of Vaseline on a damp washcloth and rub the stain. It will lift right off. The trick also works for pillows, blankets and sheets, according to Birdie. 8. Quiet squeaky door hinges. The Family Handyman explains Vaseline is a great alternative to messy, expensive spray lubricants, because it gets deep into the hinge and adheres well. With the door closed, first remove the hinge pins. Cover them in a light coat of Vaseline and dab some in the top of the pin slot. Then simply put the pin back in place, wipe off any excess Vaseline and enjoy your silent doors. 9. Insect repellent. Flies, mosquitoes, gnats and other small insects don't stand a chance against the sticky depths of petroleum jelly. According to R.L. Edens on the consumer knowledge website Nachi, Vaseline works wonders at preventing bug bites. Rub it on your arms and legs next time you go hiking or camping. You'll be happy to come home bite-free. 10. Remove watermarks on wood. Does your friend repeatedly put his glass on your wood table after you've reminded him to use a coaster? There is no longer reason to stress. Apartment Therapy explains that you can remove watermarks on wood, simply by applying a layer of Vaseline to the stain and waiting overnight. Wipe the Vaseline up the next morning and you'll be pleased to see your table sans stain. 11. Make your fragrance last longer. Before spritzing with your favorite perfume, apply a dab of Vaseline to the sides of your neck and to the back of your wrists. According to all you, this little trick will make your fragrance last the whole day. 12. Hair treatment. All you also touts Vaseline's many uses for your hair. Just a touch can help tame flyaways and reduce frizz. This trick will also work for grooming eyebrows. Rubbing a small amount into the ends of your hair will also help seal and treat split ends and protect from more damage. Next time you pull out that jar of Vaseline to moisturize your rough elbows, think about all the other ways you can use this magical product. How do you use Vaseline? Share this video and tell us.
If you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments. We will try to respond as soon as possible. Do not forget to share this video in Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. See you later.